Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome to Melda 242. I am Melda, and today I'm going to be preparing for you turmeric rice. If you want to see how this is prepared, then watch me do it. Okay, I have a pot on here, and to that pot I'm adding some oil. That's the oil. To the oil I'm adding some butter. This is, I can't believe it isn't butter. I'm gonna let that work out, melt down, combine, and I'm going to add these same three beautiful ingredients right here. Some chopped onions, one large clove of garlic, and some turmeric. That's the star right there. Simple. Onions and garlic. No bell pepper here. Just those two. This is yellow rice, turmeric rice to be exact. So I'm just gonna let those go. And I'm adding the turmeric. That's the star. That's gonna do the trick. You don't have to go out for this. Yellow rice, make it yourself. You know what's in it. This is easy to do. Turmeric rice. Let's go. I'm just trying to get it off the spatula. Okay. Combining everything, all of that goodness all together. I'm still bringing the restaurant home. Still doing it. We are having turmeric rice today with some fried pork chops in A1 steak sauce, minced turbot, coleslaw, and of course some plantains. I am bringing it home. That's two meats. It's time for the rice. Okay. I rinsed my rice today, I remembered. So sometimes I remember and sometimes I don't, so it'll taste nice. So I'm just combining all of this together, coating my rice. You know how I do it. I like to put my rice in first, but if you feel like you should do it the other way, like it. That's your pot. Add the water and then you can add the rice, but this is how I do my rice. How does that sound? Okay. Just adjusting the temperature to medium. Coating the rice, making sure that everything is coated. All I want to see is yellow in this pot. Now the water. That was 2 cups of rice, and now I'm going to add 3 cups of water. Give this a good mixing. I need some more. That's 2 cups. That container is 2 cups. To that, I'm going to add 1 more cup of water. There it is. That's the water. Next is the salt. Now, just use your discretion with the salt. You're going to season the taste. Don't go overboard with the salt now. Add a little at a time. Less is always best. So, please, for God's sake, salt is a silent killer. So use your discretion. Season the taste. Just a little bit more. Too much. Get them back. Oh, for God's sake. Okay. See what that looks like. Mix up. Let's see what's going on here. Anything? Okay, that's the signal. That's enough. Then I'm gonna cover this down and allow the water to dry out. Nothing is gonna be done here. Turn that down. There you have it. All of the water is gone. Every bit. Now I'm going to just stir it, mix it up, combine everything again. This is yellow rice. You don't have to go out for this. Fix it yourself. Make something different. Turmeric rice. Oh my word. That's the plantains on the side there. That's going in the frying pan. And my minced turbot is just simmering down. It's finished. The rice is just to hold up. Of course, I would link the video for this, for this minced turbot, to this at the end. So you'll be able to see how that is done. Right now, let's just focus on this rice. Get it together. Turmeric rice. Giving this a good mix. It's just oil, butter, onions, garlic, and water. That's it. There you have it. This is turmeric rice. Oh my word, look at it. Make some today for your family. That's the meal right there. Thank you very much for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. Share it out. If you haven't subscribed, please do so now. Be sure to check out the description box. God bless you, and I will see you in the next one.